let's let's do a quick activity with the things that are happening now around you. What are the top of mind things that you want to experiment on? Type niyo po sa chat. I'm gonna give you a few minutes. Everything that's happening now, what kind of experiment do I need to make as a leader? Or do I want to make? What are new approaches and ideas that I will test on a small scale because of the things that are happening now? Yeah, walang ideas lang, ideas lang. What would be an interesting experiment to make now?
Sir Edwin, Mark,
Yes, right.
with all the happenings, no, especially for Vismin, parang ang gusto ko siyang experiment is yung isang tao malagay doon sa isang function na or role na hindi niya pa nata-try. Like for example, kung mabawasan ako ng front desk or yung after sales, yung tagalikod, lang siya yung gusto kong i-fill in doon. And then vice versa, kung nabawasan ako sa likod, kung sino yung natitira ko sa front, gusto ko experiment kung paano naman siya mag-perform at the back.